If you're in Mississippi or Alabama, this might be the most important video you see all day, because I'm an HVAC contractor. I know you love your air conditioner, and I'm trying to do some free work for somebody. You heard it right. There's no gimmicks. I've seen people online grow massive followings by doing free services, but I've never seen anyone do it with HVAC or HVAC repair for that matter. Anything. I want to be the first one to do it, but I need your help in doing that. I need you to tell me someone in the comments that we could do this work or maintenance for free and why. Help me with it. Help me grow the channel so I could do more services like this. Please hit the follow button and in the comments tell me why and who deserves it.